Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'll show you how to switch accounts on Threads. So this is my Threads account. Now I want to switch another account of mine. So go for in this profile icon, go for this two-line option, then go for logout. Okay, then go for switch account. After that you have to just add your email and password here. Okay, then go for login, and you can see your another account is here. So this is how you can switch account on Threads. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.